Dood, 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 dood. A wonderful dood. What's your favorite milk product, kids? I bet it's ice cream. Do you know there are other milk products as well? Like cheese, paneer, and so on. They're very good for you, very high in protein. Let's learn the Hindi names for dairy products now.
Chach.
Churned homemade yogurt with butter removed.
Chena.
Cheese similar to small curd cheese.
Dahi.
Homemade yogurt or curd.
Doodh.
Milk.
Ghee.
Clarified butter.
Khoya.
Reduced whole milk.
Kheer.
Rice pudding.
Lassi.
Churned homemade yogurt.
Makhan.
Butter.
Malai.
Cream.
Paneer.
Cheese similar to farmer's pot cheese.
Raita.
Cold yogurt soup.